Hello friends, you're welcome back again to Chima Dedicated Video channel. I want to invite you to this special training. At the training we're going to start exactly on 27th of this month. There's a reason why we're doing that, because we want to take this time from now to that 27th to make registration on how to earn money on YouTube. And I'm calling on you because as this year runs out, you should be preparing for next year. Yes, who made preparations as humans? God has ultimate decision. If Christ tarries, if God gives life, we will not dream it again, having resolutions that cannot, result to something meaningful. This is the right time to begin to plan for next year. So you can see already, this a monthly payment on YouTube. This is 72 point something dollars. Yes. It's likely before the end of this month, this is going to complete 100, because you need to have up to $100 before you make a withdrawal. But I know as it stands now, I can't make this reward this month. So likely it's going to be next month. So I know there are people who make much more than this. For the fact I didn't make up to $100 in a month, does not also, apply to you. You can start and make much more. If life is all about our destinies. So, but imagine you living in Nigeria and you are very sure of things like this, because you are saying something. What you see me now recording is a video, and it's stuff like this I do that earns this. And it doesn't take you so much. If you know what to do, you learn the skill, you can teach this skill. So, come and join our class. Let's teach you how you can turn your experience, your skill, your knowledge, everything you've got into contents that pays you for life. And if I'm going to recommend that you become a YouTuber. Begin to post videos on YouTube. You need to know how it's being done. And that's exactly what we're going to do in this 1 week, from 27th of December running to 2nd of January 2024. So I want you to join. It's going to be a very comprehensive video course, tutorial video, and our YouTube course. It's not free, but we're making it so simple for everyone. If you're a Nigerian, we're charging you a flat rate of only 1,500 naira. It's something you can afford. So, all your spending for this year, remove that particular money and say, you know what? I'm going to invest this money in this tutorial. Imagine me taking time to give you a comprehensive tutorial for 1 whole week. Every of your questions will be answered. Everything you need to know will be done there. And I'm charging you only 1,500 naira. Is nothing. So the data I born, the skill I'm going to get, into that and everything, it's not worth that. But that is for you. Even if one person pays, I've still trained that one person. So I'm encouraging you. Ask for how to join. You're going to see my WhatsApp line on this video description area. So quickly contact us and make your payments. Be ready for this. If you have friends there, invite them. Get ready for next year. I tell you, being a YouTuber may not be an overnight riches. But if you prepare yourself well, dedicate yourself, by this time, even before this time next year, if Christ tarries, you will be sharing testimony like this. You'll be the one telling others, I'm now a paid YouTuber. And that will be very fantastic. So that's why I'm inviting you. Be part of this course. I will never regret being part of it. I wish you the best. Merry Christmas in advance. Thanks for watching.